Customtkinter is one of the few libraries that are available for Python and especially built on Tkinter that allows you to build really beautiful and professional interfaces. The missing thing with this library is that there are some widgets that are necessary but are not available. Some of you started building widgets for that library. Tried to collect all these libraries. I went to the website. I searched for Customtkinter and widgets with the language Python. When I scrolled through the pages, I didn't find one of the known libraries, the CTK list box. I found out that the author used add-on and extension. So I extended my search. I added other keywords. The number of found widgets was huge. I have to first talk to you about this Tkinter toolkit created also by the one who created the CTK list box. So you download the zip and when you extract it, you have this code. So to run the code, you simply type Python and tkinter-toolkit.py. You can search for any widget. I'm gonna search for list box. Here it is, CTK list box. When you click on the button, you will have a preview of the widget, a small description and the rating, some other description and the installation process. I needed to know all available widgets and I also was interested in the widgets found by this toolkit, so I had to, of course, write scripts. The 5 scripts I needed and I had to write. The first one to search through the repositories in GitHub using, of course, the GitHub API. So I gathered the data in a JSON file. Then I used the second script to get the widget from the Tkinter toolkit. I used the third script to delete some of the projects that I thought are not either widgets or not compatible enough for Customtkinter. And I had to write another script to sort out the results according to the stars rating, and the final one was to create this table. For the script I wrote to do the research, I needed only 2 libraries, requests and JSON. I had to write some regular expression to be able to search for all the possible keywords, and another important element is to make identified requests. Then I had to filter out and get only the name of the repo, the URL, the stars, and I wrote them into a JSON file. The second script was to not only copy elements from the Tkinter toolkit, but also to compare with the elements already or the repos already found by my search script to see if they are already in my JSON files. The script does transform the two, creates the list and then loop through and create 2 different lists, the repositories that are found and the ones that are not found. I manually went through the Tkinter toolkit to filter out the projects that I think were not CTK Customtkinter or were not widgets, and I ended up with this to remove JSON file that I used in the script. Filter out, I created the necessary dictionaries. I went through all the dictionaries and then I copied only the repositories that are not in to remove JSON file. Then I had to sort the repositories. I simply used the sorted function using the stars key as the key for sorting out the repositories and putting them again in another JSON file. The last script creates a markdown table using also JSON for recreating the data, but the pandas library was to create this table by calling data frame. I had to install another library, tabulate, because pandas uses tabulate to create the table. Even the values here to specify the type of the table are not defined in pandas, are defined in tabulate. So you have to go to the tabulate library to know which parameter to use. This is the final list. I added another key, the ID, just for the table. I put this list in a temple repository. It is called CTK Widgets Inventory, and this is the table of all the elements. I didn't go through all of them. You can, if you go to this repository and you know one of the projects is not a widget, you can create an issue using this template to tell me that you have an update for the inventory. You either specify the widgets that you want to delete from the inventory or you want to add. You can also go to the Customtkitner toolkit to add it to the database as well. The link of this repository, of course, will be available, but if you want the scripts, I can add them also in the repository. Just comment the word script. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.